Yeah, welcome back. So we had a lot of sunshine has made our way through the day. More clouds are approaching from the west. They're actually coming at a good time because they're going to keep us relatively milder as we go through the evening hours. So we had those high temperatures near 38 degrees, and we should spend most of the evening in the upper 20s, lower 30s. Really not that bad for this time of year. Currently at 34 degrees in North Platte. Wind southwest around 5. That's a nice mild flow for us, and that wind chill really not that bad at 30 degrees. Here's a look at the temperatures around the region. So lower 30s at Ogallala, Imperial, mid-30s at Hyannis, Thedford, and Valentine. And the cool air is into our eastern counties, mid to upper 20s, Broken Bow and Lexington. But the winds mainly from a westerly or southwesterly direction, depending on where you are. And that's really keeping us on the mild side. And that trend will continue as we make our way through the weekend, especially tomorrow when the winds really start to pick up. Wind speeds right now between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Here's a look at the Doppler radar. So there's the sunny skies across the region in the past couple of hours, but there's this band of clouds that's overspreading the viewing area as of right now, and that trend will continue as we make our way through later on into the evening, as we will continue to have partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Very cold high pressure system is making its way into the Midwest and then Northeast, and we had this warm front come through yesterday, so we've got a nice warm sector here, high pressure to our south in charge of our forecast, keeping us dry, and there's that nice southwesterly wind. Another system back here might increase the clouds, might cool us off a couple of degrees as we finish out the weekend, but other than that, we're going to have more of the same. Here's a look at the skycast. Some clouds tonight with the temperatures falling into the upper 20s by around the midnight hour, and then we'll have temperatures fall back into the lower 20s as we go through later on into the evening and overnight. For the day tomorrow, we do have mostly sunny skies, high temperatures getting back into the mid 40s with a good amount of sunshine, that nice westerly wind. Going through the overnight into Sunday morning, some fog possible, especially into our eastern counties, low to mid 20s for lows, and then by the afternoon we're back into the lower to mid 40s across the region with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. So here's what it looks like on our wide maps. High pressure to our south in charge of our forecast. Nice warm sector through the weekend. That southerly and westerly wind continuing. We're keeping our eyes on this low that's moving across the northern plains. Maybe some snow showers into the Rocky Mountain states, but that is basically it. Really not going to tap into a lot of moisture from this one, and the cool air really won't affect us that much as we start next week. So we're going to keep the milder conditions between here and the deep south, ridge and the jet stream. We do have that rain and snow mix into the Rockies. That's really not going to get here again, and that cool air is going to stay into the Midwest and Northeast, some snow into the Great Lakes states, and rain down toward Florida. So as we finish out this work week and start the weekend, we are going to look at another 7 days where it's going to be mainly dry, and temperatures for most days steady into the lower 40s. That's average for this time of year. Not really going to warm up to above average, but we will have a good amount of sunshine most of the days, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. So we're at 42 as we go through the day on Saturday, mostly sunny skies, but windy. Partly cloudy skies on Sunday, a high of 42, and 42 again on Monday, partly cloudy skies and a little breezy. Tuesday, we do have a good amount of sunshine, high of 41. There's your lower 40s again Wednesday into Thursday, mostly sunny to mostly cloudy. We only put the chance of moisture at 10% on both of those days, and then partly cloudy, a high of 39 for next Friday. Kent?
That warm-up we've been looking for since the beginning of the week, finally here.
Yeah, so finally we're back to average. Not really going to get much warmer, though.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. And February is Heart Disease Awareness Month. And for one Lincoln man, his efforts to keep his body in shape paid off.